My name is Alec. I had a hair transplant 1 year ago at the Hair Restoration Institute of Minnesota. I realized it was time to do something about my hair when I was always going out in a hat to feel comfortable. I felt uncomfortable otherwise, wearing a hat in the pool. My grandfather on my mother's side was bald by 30, so I knew if I didn't do something that I was gonna end up the same way, and I didn't wanna do that, so that's why I came here. I'm glad I trusted my procedure to HRI because they've been doing this for 30 years. They know what they're doing. They have a lot of experience, and they have some of the best surgeons in the world doing this, as well as the best medical team. And the #1 goal of the surgeons and the team here at HRI is naturalness. If I had to explain my hair transplant experience in one word, I would say comfortable. It was a comfortable experience. You come into the clinic, they make you feel comfortable, they explain everything to you, you feel comfortable going back to the chair, doing the procedure, and then literally feel comfortable while it's happening because it's such an easy process. Now when I go outside and it's windy, there's no concern. If it's raining, there's no concern. If I jump in the pool, whereas before those were always my worst enemies because I didn't want to feel exposed with my receding hairline. Recovery was a breeze. I think after that first week, you start to feel kind of back to normal, and then you just have to wait for the hair to grow in. I really like where I'm at today and that I got the hair transplant done. I think it brings out a side of me that I was locked away before maybe, or stayed hidden. And now I can, free up my mind to think about more important things, knowing that I'm comfortable with my hairline and my result. And so I thank the people at HRI for helping me get there. So if you're someone that's going through hair loss, come see the fine folks at Hair Restoration Institute and see what they recommend. For me, it was the hair transplant, but there's a lot of different options, and they'll make sure that they get the right option for you.